Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about representation of a rational number on the number line and how many rational numbers are lying in between given two rational numbers. Represent minus 2 by 3 on a number line. Represent minus 2 by 3 on a number line. Minus 2 by 3 on a number line. In the previous classes, we have learnt about the representation of integers on a number line, right? So based on that, if you observed here, minus 2 by 3, right? Minus 2 by 3 is a negative number which lies towards the left side of the 0, right? So let us see now. So negative number is given here, so which lies towards the left side of the 0. So let represent as 0 at this point. 0, right? 0, right? Then so this side is positive numbers and negative means towards this left side. In this case, the denominator lies with 3, right? So for every 3, 2 is taken. Out of 3, 2 is taken. So let divide. It means like 1, 2, 3. It is nothing that 1. 1, 2, 3. It is nothing that 2. Left side numbers, these are taken as a minus, negative numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to use a ruler to maintain equal distance. As an example, just representing a number line here, you have to use a ruler, okay, equal distance in between the given points here. Minus 2 by 3 means minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, right? So this is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3 is nothing that minus 1, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 6 by 3 is minus 6 by 3 is nothing that 3 1s, 3 2s. So it is represented as minus 2. Similarly, minus 7 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 9 by 3. Minus 9 by 3, minus 9 by 3 is nothing that minus 3, right? So that here we want minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So here it lies minus 2 by 3. Let's highlight it, that is minus 2 by 3, or indicate it. This is minus 2 by 3, right? So here this is a way of representing a number line. Represent okay, represent, let us take 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2 on a number line. 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. In the first case we have only one rational number with a negative sign, but here you have two rational numbers with the positive and negative signs on the same number line. You have to use only one number line to represent two rational numbers, not different lines you have to use. On the same number line we have to represent this, right? So as in the first case we have only negative number, but here we have both positive and negative, so I represent 0 here. Like at this part I would like to represent 0. See 1 by 2, because as the denominators are to 1 by 2, then this is 2 by 2 is 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is nothing but 2, right? 5 by 2, 6 by 2 is nothing but 3, 7 by 2, we got now 7 by 2. So it is your wish if you would like to extend like this more, nothing wrong. So 8 by 2 is nothing that it is 4, but you want 7 by 2, so here okay, 7 by 2 we got. So this is what the 7 by 2, right? Now we need a negative, so negative means towards the left side, so minus 1 by 2, this is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 6 by 2 is nothing but minus 3. Minus 7 by 2, right? So this is what we need is minus 7 by 2. So let us highlight them. So minus 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. Both the numbers are represented on the same number line. So this is how to represent on a number line, given rational numbers representing on a number line, right? Let us go with another concept, how to find the number of rational numbers in between given two rationals. How many rational numbers lies in between two given rational numbers, right? Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Now let us see, if I take a number like 6 and 8, what is the rational number lies between 6 and 8? 7, right? The rational number lies between 6 and 8 is 7. Just think what to be done with these two numbers of 6 and 8 to get 7. You can pause the video and you can even find out. It means, అంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ 6ని 8ని ఏం చేస్తే మనకి 7 వస్తుంది, ఏ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి 7 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఇఫ్ ఐ యాడ్ 6 plus 8 of 1 by 2 means what? 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14 of 1 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. If you simplify, you are getting 7. Means whenever we want to find between number, we are adding them and multiplying with 1 by 2. you can take any number like this. If I take a number like 10 and 13 or 10 and 14, so what is the number lies between 10 and 14 means? Very simple. You take those two numbers, 10 plus 14 of 1 by 2. So 10 plus 14 is 24 of 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 12s. So it is 12. So in between 10 and 14, 12. So whenever we want to find a number lies between two rational numbers means adding them and multiplying with 1 by 2. Similarly, if A and B are two rational numbers, how to find a rational number lies between A and B means very simple. It is A plus B of 1 by 2. A plus B of 1 by 2. So this is the way how to find a rational number lies between two given rational numbers. A plus B of 1 by 2. Right? Now if you observe, let me take one question here. Insert two rational numbers. Insert two rational numbers lies between lies between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. It means, as we learn here, so let us take 3 is here and 4. Now we have to insert two rational numbers in between these two. So first of all I consider these two. So the same operation, that is 3 plus 4 of 1 by 2 is nothing that 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 of by 2, that is nothing that 7 by 2. So 7 into, so this is, so in between 3 and 4 is 7 by 2. Now we would like to insert, how many we want? 2. We want 2, but here only 1 we found, right? No problem. Now what I do is, now I take 3 and 7 by 2, or means considering that these two numbers 3 and 7 by 2. So 3 plus 7 by 2 of 1 by 2. So if you simplify this, what you get? 13 by 2 of 1 by 2. What it is? 13 by 4. 13 by 4. So what we got now means, if you check clearly that, if you observe clearly that in between 3 and 4 we got one is 7 by 2 and another is 13 by 4. So now I have inserted two rational numbers in between 3 and 4. If they ask 3 rational numbers, so nothing, you can consider these two or these two or these two, and so that you can find one more, right? So it means if you would like to find 3 or 4, whatever it may be, so we just go on doing the same process. Okay, so you observe carefully in this case how many rational numbers lies in between 3 and 4. We have found only 2. When I consider this and this, we get 1 more. When I consider these 2 again, we get 1 more. When I consider these 2, we get 1 more. And when I consider these 2 again, I get 1 more. And when I consider these 2, I get 1 more. In this case, how many rational numbers lies in between these 3 and 4? Infinity rational numbers, right? Infinity rational numbers means in between 2 rational numbers there are infinity rational numbers lies. So that this property is called property of density. Property of density. Okay, property of density. Property of density is nothing that we can find infinite means how many rational numbers lies in between 2 rational numbers means infinity rational numbers lies in between 2 rational numbers. Infinity rational numbers lies in between 2 rational numbers. This is called property of density. Property of density. Let us see a few more questions based on this. Right? Taking the same question, even we can represent in another way. Okay. Let us see now. Now, same. So find 3 rational numbers. Find 3 rational numbers lies between 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So what we do, there are different methods as we learned before, that is in this what we learn is to find any rational number, we add the numbers of the given 2 numbers and multiply it with 1 by 2, right? So 3 plus 5 of 1 by 2. So it is if you check 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 of 1 by 2 is nothing that 2 ones, 2 fours, that is 4. So one rational number we found, right? How many we want? 3. So what we got? 4, right? It means in between 3 and 5 we have inserted 4. So we found 4. Now I consider these 2 now, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 means 3 plus 4 of 1 by 2. So it is what? 7 of 1 by 2. So it is 7 by 2. So now this is a second rational number, right? Now if I take, means we got what? 3, 7 by 2, 4, 5. So we got just 2 rational numbers in between 3 and 5. Right, now let us do one thing. We want how many? 3. So it's your wish whether you consider this 3 and 7 by 2, 7 by 2 and 4, or 4 and 5. I consider 4 and 5 now. 4 and 5. So let me considering with 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 of 1 by 2. So it is what? 9 into 1 by 2. So it is 9 by 2. So this is the third rational number, lies between 3 and 5. So what are the numbers which lies between 3 and 5 means in between 3 and 5 we have inserted what? 7 by 2, 4 and 9 by 2. So these are the 3 rational numbers we have inserted. This is one method. Even we can if you think simple, if you think very simple, like in between 3 and 5 they asked, right? So if you are good at decimal numbers, if you are really good at decimal numbers, I can write very simple: 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Even these are also rational numbers, right? So I have inserted 3 rational numbers without any process. So this is the basic method to be followed, because as these two numbers are natural numbers, it is very easier. Okay, so let us because if these are not in natural numbers, if the given numbers are in like a rational, like in the p by q form, okay, what you have to do is you have to convert them into decimal number first of all. Okay, we have to convert them into a decimal number, then after we can. It means, for example, if they give a number like, okay, let me take a question. Let me take a question here. Insert three rational numbers between 1/2 and 2/5. 1/2 and 2/5. So what we do, as we learnt one method, adding these two, multiplying with 1/2. So 1/2 plus 2/5 of 1/2. If you add these two, like 1/2 and 2/5, means if you do the LCM for 2 and 5, it is 10. So 2 5 times, 5 plus 5 2 times, 2 2 is 4 of 1/2. It's nothing that 5 plus 4 is 9. 9/10 into 1/2. 9/10 into 1/2. So it is nothing that 9/20. So this is one rational number we have inserted. So in between 1/2 and 2/5 we got 9/20. So you can consider, means let me write here 1/2, 9/20, 2/5. But we want 3, only one we found. Now you consider these two, or it's your wish, you can even consider these two, but I do like 1/2 and 9/20. So 1/2 plus 9/20 of 1/2. So what is your, if you do the LCM again, you get 20. So 2 times 10 plus 21 times 1 into 9 is 9 of 1/2. So it is 19/20 into 1/2, right? So it is nothing that 19/40. So this is second rational number we got, right? So it means what we got now, 1/2, 19/40, 9/20, 2/5. But we want 3, so you can, it's your wish whether you consider these two numbers or these two or these two. I take these two, or it's your wish, but I take these two numbers. Means considering like 9/20 and 2/5. Of 1/2. So 9/20, it means if you take the LCM, we get, it is 20. So 21 times 1 into 9 is 9, plus 5 4 times, 4 2s 8. So you got, this is of 1 by 2. It means 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 by 20 of 1 by 2. So that is 17 by 40. So this is a this is a third rational number. So 1 2 3 we have inserted, means we have found 3 rational numbers in between given this 1 by 2. So if you use this a plus b of 1 by 2 process, it is easier for these two numbers. Even we can do in another method also. Let us see what is the second method we can do. The second method, actually the given numbers are what? The given numbers are what? 1 by 2 and 2 by 5, right? So if you do the division of this, like 1 divided by 2, you get 0.5, and in between 2 by 5, if you convert it to the decimal, what you get is 0.4. 0.5, 0.4. Now how many rational number they asked us to insert? 3 rational numbers. So in between 0.5 and 0.4 we can means better write these numbers in ascending order, means first of all a small number and then after that better. So 0.5, 0.4 and 0.5. So how can we insert? If you are good with the decimal numbers, as I said I can write 0.41, 0.42 and 0.43. So this is another method even you can do. Nothing wrong. Even if these 3 are converted now into the p by q form, you can write them as 41 by 100 or 42 by 100 or 43 by 100. Yeah, those are 3 rational numbers. So 41 by 100, 42 by 100 and 43 by, these are the 3 rational numbers lies between 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. This is also very easy method. So here you should be good at with the decimal. So this is a second method. This is a second method to be followed, and the before is a basic method. Actually, whenever you want to insert, it's your wish what method you follow. I hope you all enjoyed this class. If you have any more queries about this, or even you can give us a WhatsApp at 970106964, or give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you.